Yep. All right, you got to get your fingers out and you got to push firmly. You need to be, really should be pushing where my hand is. Let a little pressure off this side. Let's just hose her down and see what happens. Worst comes to worst, just have to do it again. This hand moves up here. Right, you keep that hand following my tool, press hard. Nope, there it went. Yep. It's ripping the crap out of the rubber. Yeah, that rope tool crap can kiss my butt. Yeah, it busts them every time. That's why I don't like the ropes. That's what it's supposed to do in theory, but it's done gouged it, so I guess what, I get to do this a second time, but hey, practice makes perfect, right? So we'll just do it again. On Happy Gilmore that kept going. Watch this. Oh. Speeding. 1, 2. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, so as you just saw a little bit in the video, excuse me, a little bit ago in the video, that's a lot of O's. Anyway, I messed up the rubber. It is my fault. I screwed up. No matter what I say, it was my fault. Let's get that straight right now. I was in a hurry trying to get Mr. Pomada. I love now I just messed it up just to be that guy. Anyway, trying to get PJ out of here of A10 Media. I had my young intern Kingston in here. He had other obligations to fulfill that day, and I was in a rush, and I wasn't paying attention that I actually had it in backwards. Hence why I ripped the rubber and struggled so badly with it. Yeah, what he said. Anyway, I've ordered another one on my dime because it's my fault, it's my mistake. So we had to pivot. I'm pivoting. I have work in the machine shop, lots of work. Pivot. A couple blocks, getting ready to go through the hot tank. They're going to get all clean because they're oily, they're greasy. This is about to get loud. I don't know how this is going to work on audio for you guys. Lots of noise, angry noises. But here's the thing, while that's being washed, we've already cleaned the head for the motor. 2.5 liter Ford Ranger. That's Ford Ranger! I can't say the other bit because it'll just have to get bleeped out. And I'm trying to do better by the big man upstairs and not say those bad, filthy words. I'm failing horribly, not gonna lie, but I'm trying. Anyway, Ford Ranger! Cylinder head, 2.5 liter. Blew a head gasket, then hydrolocked. But we're gonna Magnaflux it. We're gonna show you why we Magnaflux it. Come hither, come forth. Look, we've cleaned it. We wire brushed it, made it. Look at all of them. And we're gonna show you why we recommend you Magnaflux. Even though you think it was just a cracked head, or excuse me, you think it was just a blown head gasket, I'm gonna show you why it could be a cracked head. This is a very old magnet. We need to update, but I haven't yet. Because again, I bought an old machine shop. I'm gonna show you electromagnet. See, electromagnet. We take some of this fancy powder, I'm in my leathers too, sprinkling powder. That's all you do. Kinda. That was like a very crude and rude version, but because on this cylinder, I already know what's coming. Oh, oh, look at that. How's that coming through on there, PJ? Can you see that plain as day? But it's cracked all the way down through the seat, and it actually goes down deep into the head on this side here, on this valve. I don't know if the camera will pick it up once again. Lighting's not the greatest right now. There we go. Look at that. Look what light does. It's crazy. That's why you Magnaflux, right? Because now, I'm going to tell the customer, unfortunately, hey, you got a cracked head, we got to figure something out. But I got a solution hidden in a box over here. Really wild how it worked out, but we're going to make it work for them probably. Have to discuss that with them. You know, Monday, because let's see, it's Saturday today. But yeah, a little bit of the machine shop side here at Shop Rat Metalworks, besides everything else that we do. Cracked head, we know it's no good. We're going to recommend not using it, obviously. It's junk. It's a boat anchor. It's not going to work here anymore. Clean our blocks, boys and girls. Or just about any motor part, really. There's our 2.5 liter Ford right here block. And that guy back there is a 2.7? Don't quote me on that. It's like a set up like a 325 BMW like 1988. Okay? So that's all I can tell you. Inline 6. It's literally here just to get cleaned, and they want, what was that? Oh, and they want it honed just to put crosshatch back in it. So that's what's going to happen. Get all that soap and detergent and stuff off. It comes out of this hot pressure tank, pressurized jets and nozzles. Spray these motors down with, you know, detergent and water. So then we rinse them off and we blow them dry. for reference, because this is a pressurized hot tank. So you guys just watched, rinsed them off, cold water, you know, ambient air temperature air. That block's still 123 degrees, or it was 123 degrees. Now it's sinking down to 93. So it's still, you know, 93, 94 degrees after rinsing it off with, you know, cool water and blowing it off with ambient air. Sucker's still warm, still 100 degrees. And it's only, I don't know, 78 outside today. So yeah, that's how hot that sucker gets. I think the thermostat's somewhere around 180 right now. Hot pressurized water, chemical going against it. And we'll get that out of the way because I got other stuff to do right now, all right? All right.